From initial concept and layout to design and animation, we've created 4 individual and exciting stories, including 9 independent characters that are guaranteed to catch your heart. Whether you find yourself in the garden, in the magical circus, or even in outer space, the experience will take you through as many as 14 colorful scenarios to explore and interact with objects around you. The adventures that our main characters experience are mainly story-driven. To be able to seamlessly transition between story and action, we used Unity to create all sets as fully real-time 3D environments. The controller is the main tool to choose story branches and interact with objects. Several tests and prototypes were involved using our in-house resources. During each episode, up to 20 to 30 controllers can be detected, allowing children to respond in real time to the events in the story.